Good morning. We're starting the excavation over here. This is 2-3 feet excavated before us. We're going to start right now to excavate additional 4 feet. We'll excavate the planter first, remove the bricks, and then okay. So after we patch the walls from all the holes, we are done applying waterproofing 5 feet high. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to install the membrane. Okay, this is the end result. After we excavated 5 feet below, waterproofed, installed drainage. We installed the cement, concrete. It's draining all the way here. You can see the line. Pipe underneath to collect underground water 6 feet below. This is it. We are done.